We're about to go hit the city in the 500 horsepower Supra. Feel bad for my neighbors. Just put it in sport. About to get a cold start. Oh, nah. Yo, I am sorry for my neighbors. I don't know if y'all can hear me right now, but that thing is too loud. Way too loud. Right here, about to hit the city. Hopefully we get there in one piece with these whack roads. Oh boy, Koyaki over here, what you gotta say?
It was good chicken, marinated nice to perfection. Steak was good, but the rice was fucked up. It was like fucking eating hot sauce, you know that Ying Ping hot sauce? The one that they sent to the Kennedy stores? Yeah. Eating that over rice, nigga. Overall, it was like a 7.9 out of 10. It was odd.
Solid, that's solid. About to hit the city. Hopefully I don't freaking mess with car. Oh, that ass?
Domino Park, yeah.
Nah, alright, chat. Got my boy over here, man. What you gotta say? We're parked up in the middle of Times Square.
Since like 2005, nigga.
We haven't been here since like 2005, but we're in the middle of Times Square right now. You know, if I look at all this traffic that we causing.
Yeah, we're gonna get
the buses are coming. Hopefully we don't get no ticket. You know the vibes. Then we got my boy over here with a M340i. Yo, what you gotta say to the vlog? What you gotta say to the vlog?
The fucking Supra looks amazing. It looks better with this M340.
Yo, B58 gang. Yo, safety, bro. Safety, bro. You know the vibes, man. B58's taking over the world, man. But yeah, chat, we outside right now. We're gonna see what the word is. Where did this? Oh, my boy's already inside here. Now we over here in Creperie. Our boy's eating right here.
My first time here, nigga.
The best dinner table that anybody could use. Not gonna lie, chat, I haven't been here in years. But we about to eat some crepes. So he hates Toran. If you're Kanare, then you know what he means by he hates Toran. If you know, you know. بلش شوية زي غلطة وانا كي. Right here, what you gotta say about the crepe?
I got everything crepe, strawberries, bananas. It's pretty nice. It's better than these other fucking places. Chocolate House. Crepe Town or Crepe City or whatever the fuck.
Voila, everybody. Yo, vlog, now we about to eat this crepe. Fuck out here. Oh, I gotta.
That's pretty nice.
Right here, yo, chat. Shout out to Creperie.
They should sponsor you.
I've been coming here since I was broke. I'm still broke.
I'm the only one that's broke here, nigga.
Tomorrow I'm taking to the same McLaren dealerships.
How's the first bite, nigga? Solid first bite. What do you rate it at him? 6.9?
Solid 75.
That bad, man?
That's a good number in my book. Next time you see him, we're definitely gonna pull up in a McLaren.
Inshallah. Boys, I'm not trying to interrupt you.
What's up,
film a YouTube video right here.
We are filming a YouTube video over here. Yo, what you gotta say, man?
Me in the camera.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if this is gonna air up, but I fucking love the car, bro.
Appreciate it, boss.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir.
From Austria.
From where? From where?
Austria, Vienna.
Oh, Austria. Yo, my boys.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Much
No,
love,
I fuck
man.
with
Much
that. I
love.
fuck with that. You
Appreciate
got
it,
something
boss.
with the car?
Yeah, it's a Supra, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate it, boss.
Crazy.
Now we at another location right here. What do you think about that?
How the fuck did they do this engineering, man?
So yeah, chat, we over here on 5th Avenue. I haven't been here in my whole life because I'm too broke for 5th Avenue. But got the Supra over here. It's a Thursday, so it's low-key dead. Got my boy over here just admiring how they made this building. But yeah, about to make some content real quick. and then we're gonna probably bounce. But yeah, if I don't pick up the phone after this, it's failure, and we out. You gotta say bonus clip.
What I gotta say?
Bonus clip.
Bonus depreciation.
That's what I was saying.